Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Plesk on VPS for client-friendly website management, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your VPS using SSH. Use a terminal application to connect to your server. Enter your VPS's IP address and your SSH port number. After connecting, provide your username, typically root. Type in your password when prompted. Once logged in, update your package list. Run the command apt-get update or yum update, depending on your OS. Next, install the necessary dependencies for Plesk. Use the command get http://autoinstall.plesk.com/one-click-installer. After the download is complete, provide execute permissions. Type chmod plus x one-click installer. Now, initiate the Plesk installer. Enter the command /one-click installer. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully to select your preferred installation options. You can choose between a full installation and a customized setup. If you select the full installation, it will take some time to complete. Upon completion, access Plesk by navigating to your server's IP address followed by port 8443. For example, https:// your server IP 8443. Log into Plesk using the admin credentials provided during installation. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface. Now, set up your preferred preferences under Settings. Configure your email notifications in the Email section. Add your domain by navigating to Websites and Domains. Click on Add Domain and fill in the requested details. Once the domain is added, you can manage files through the File Manager. Next, install useful extensions from the Extensions catalog. Look for options that enhance security and performance. Consider setting up automatic backups under Tools and Settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.